Now, we'll build our panel topology on the navigation. The next critical step is Security Z project. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a robust security configuration in WinCC OA version 3.21. We cover everything from defined authorization bits to creating user group so you can ensure only the right people have control over your system. In WinCC OA, we use 32 bits permission structure. Each user or user group is sending a set of bits where you can customize this. The standard configuration usually follows the hierarchy. Is level bit 1 is visualization, bit 2 is operate control, bit 3 is advanced control, bit 4 is administrative control. So bit 5 to 30 is user defined. Bit 31 is parallel, bit 32 is rolled. Let's jump into the SCADA and get started. Now, I still use my old project. We go to System Management. We go to Permission. Go to Use Administration. In here is all the this one's all the user. Okay, we can delete this old one. Yeah. Okay. First, we should set up group administration. Go to here, right side, groups. This is my old delay. Okay, we add is the supervisor. Okay, is group name supervisor. Okay, add. We choose the permission in here. In here is 1. We choose 1. We can see here bit 1 is visualization, bit 2 is operate control, bit 3 advanced control. We can choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It's closed. No. In here is not here always. So we add the use name Louis WN. Okay. Is we first we show the password. Okay. Okay. Now we choose group. Which group is the membership? Is the member of which group? We choose supervisor. Okay. Go to the left. That's it. Okay. Is here is Louis WN supervisor. Is here is a pyramid. Is we can see here, or we can change this one. This is a parallel is bit 31. Okay, this is demo. This one is operator all. we can see here. Almost. Okay, we just set up close. Now we start use. We still use root. This 0. Okay, and here's the root. Okay, you can see all the similar. Close, open. Okay, we can add in here everything you want to add in here because it's root. Now we can change it. Go to right button. Is go to login as your name, Louis. His password. Okay, login. You can see here. Oh, still you can use. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I set up this one. It's the bit 1, bit 2, bit 3, bit 4. So it look like a administration. So you can add anything in here. Always working. Look. So it's similar. So we change it. We add a new one. Name is one user. Oh, sorry. We group. We should add a new one. Technician. Permission. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we still group. Not enables. Okay. Add a new group, technician. Okay. Permission. We just one. Okay, close. Add user. Louis, my name is technician. Go here. Okay. Oh, here I need the password. Okay. With a close. Now we can try again. We start this one. We still use root. Here, so we can change in here. Go here, go to login as is my name, Louis. Password. Login. Okay. In here you can use, you can add this window. Here is always not working. You can configuration anything, just is use. Okay, but you can still see anything. Look, you can see anything, but you can't do something. This permission is different to supervised permission. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you very much.